Welcome to the Banker's Room, your trusted space to crack PSB interviews, master banking knowledge, and rise through the ranks. In this video, we'll walk you through what to expect in the Executive Director interview process for public sector banks in 2025. Understanding the interview process. The selection process is conducted by the Financial Services Institutions Bureau, or FSIB. It involves 3 high-level interview panels. These interviews may take place in person or via video conferencing, depending on panel availability. Panel 1: Regulatory or Strategic Banking. The first panel focuses on your banking experience, regulatory awareness, and analytical thinking. You may be asked to present a SWOT analysis of your bank. Expect questions on KYC and Re-KYC processes, and how your bank handles digital frauds. Be prepared to discuss the impact of RBI's latest regulatory changes, such as LCR norms and repo rate adjustments. You may also be asked about RBI's draft guidelines on new forms of banking business. A key emerging topic is Agentic AI, its meaning, applications in banking, and governance concerns. Panel 2: Policy, Inclusion, and Risk Management. The second panel focuses on financial inclusion and operational strategy. You might be asked about co-lending models and how your bank manages risk in such partnerships. They may also ask about efforts to serve rural and semi-urban areas, and how you improve customer satisfaction through feedback. Expect questions on inoperative accounts and your plan to reactivate them based on RBI's draft guidelines. You may also be asked about green deposits, why their uptake is low and how to promote them. Be ready to explain the larger role of PSBS in inclusive and sustainable banking. Panel 3: Leadership, Governance, and Vision. The third panel is more personalized, focusing on leadership and governance. You'll be asked about your career achievements and the quantifiable impact of your work. Expect questions on how you would improve corporate governance, HR productivity, and build a leadership pipeline. You may be asked how you plan to enhance customer experience as an ED. Be prepared to outline your 30 to 60-day priorities if selected. Also, explain how you would align with national priorities through responsible banking practices. Key preparation areas focus on the latest RBI circulars, repo rate trends, and inflation outlook. Understand reforms in KYC, co-lending, and liquidity regulations like LCR and NSFR. Deep dive into Agentic AI, ESG strategy, and grievance redressal frameworks. Leadership story or vision plan. Reflect on your leadership journey and vision as a future executive director. Define a clear roadmap for quick wins, especially in customer service, compliance, and governance. Your story should reflect readiness, impact, and forward thinking. Final tip: treat the interview like a dialogue with national thought leaders. Support your answers with data, logic, and real experiences from your banking career. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Banker's Room for weekly insights on banking strategy, leadership preparation, and PSB interview success.